All right, so looking for some examples on today's classwork. Let's look at number 13, and it is going to be find the 32nd term of this sequence. Well, we know when we are looking for the 32nd term, we can go straight to an exact term using the arithmetic sequence, or the explicit arithmetic sequence, which is an equals a1 plus n minus 1 times d. In this case, too, we do need to find out, we need to find out some of the things that we don't know. What is n going to be? What is the value of a1? Have we found what the common difference is? And in this case, we can go back and define the common difference. Remember, d is going to be equal to n minus 1. Let's see, clarify that. an minus 1 equals the common difference. So I take, what it's telling me to do is I take one term and I subtract the previous term from it. So in this case, I will take 37 and I will subtract 34 from it, getting 3. I will take 40, subtract 37, I get 3. So my common difference proves to be 3. Now all I did was I did some substitution. I knew I was looking for term number 32. I knew the first term was 34, right there, first term. I knew then the n, since that's what I was replacing, was going to be 32. So do my order of operations, do my parentheses, then I do my multiplication, then I do my adding, and I get 127. So A34 is going to be 127. And that is finding a term using the explicit formula. And as we go on to the next example, number 19, where we're going to find a missing term, this is where we're going to use the arithmetic mean that we talked about in our notes. It is, we arithmetic mean, you use it if you have 3 consecutive numbers and you're trying to find one. So we are going to take in this case, the first and third numbers and divide it by 2, and that will give us the arithmetic mean. So negative 15 plus 1 is going to be negative 14, and the negative 14 divided by 2 is going to give us this value right here, negative 7. So the arithmetic mean is going to be negative 7, and you can go ahead and check that. If we do the substitution, we would have negative 15, negative 7, and 1, and we said to find the common difference, what did we have to do? Well, we had to take the one sequence number and subtract the previous number from it. So when we took negative 7 and we subtracted the previous number, which is negative 15, we ended up getting positive 8. Doing it again with negative 1, we took negative 1 and subtracted the previous number, which was negative 7. That gives us a positive 7. So bam, there you go. We get the common difference is going to be 8. And that was, of course, a good check on our arithmetic examples from today's classwork.